The Netherlands, renowned for its flat landscape, windmills, and tulip fields, is a small yet influential country in northwestern Europe. Amsterdam, its capital, is famous for its picturesque canals, historic architecture, and vibrant culture. The country's progressive attitudes are reflected in its liberal policies, diverse population, and emphasis on sustainability. The Dutch are known for their innovation, evident in fields such as architecture, engineering, and water management. With a rich history of trade and exploration, the Netherlands has left a lasting impact on global culture and commerce. Its compact size belies its significant contributions to art, science, and society. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay updated with our latest content and never miss a moment of excitement. Now, let's start the show. Number 1. Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands, is renowned for its picturesque canals, historic architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. With over 100 kilometers of waterways weaving through the city, it's often called the Venice of the North. Visitors flock to its iconic attractions like the Anne Frank House, Van Gogh Museum, and Rijksmuseum. The city's liberal attitudes contribute to its diverse and lively atmosphere, with bustling markets, cozy cafes, and world-class restaurants. Bicycles are the preferred mode of transportation, adding to its charm. Amsterdam seamlessly blends its rich history with modern innovation, making it a must-visit destination for travelers worldwide. 2. The Hague, known as Den Haag in Dutch, is the seat of the Dutch government and home to the International Court of Justice. This coastal city combines regal elegance with a cosmopolitan vibe. Its historic city center is adorned with majestic palaces, including the stunning Binnenhof complex. The Hague boasts a diverse cultural scene, with world-class museums like Mauritshuis showcasing Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring. The Scheveningen beach offers relaxation and seaside fun, while the bustling streets feature trendy cafes and boutique shops. The Hague's international atmosphere, coupled with its rich history and modern amenities, makes it a captivating destination. 3. Utrecht, one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, is a vibrant hub of culture, history, and innovation. Its iconic feature is the medieval Dom Tower, which overlooks the city and offers panoramic views. Utrecht's charming canals, lined with cafes and terraces, create a picturesque setting for leisurely strolls. The city's rich history is palpable in its well-preserved architecture and historic sites, such as the Rietveld Schroeder House. Utrecht is also a bustling university town, known for its lively student population and dynamic nightlife. With a thriving art scene, diverse culinary offerings, and easy accessibility, Utrecht captivates visitors from around the world. 4. Groningen, a dynamic city in the north of the Netherlands, captivates visitors with its youthful energy, historic charm, and cultural diversity. Home to one of the country's oldest universities, the city boasts a lively student population that infuses its streets with vitality. Groningen's picturesque canals and well-preserved medieval buildings create a scenic backdrop for exploration. The iconic Martini Tower dominates the skyline, offering panoramic views of the surrounding area. The Groninger Museum showcases an eclectic collection of art and artifacts, while the bustling Grootmarkt hosts bustling markets and outdoor cafes. Groningen's welcoming atmosphere and vibrant atmosphere make it a must-visit destination. 5. Rotterdam, Europe's largest port city, is a vibrant metropolis known for its innovative architecture, multicultural vibe, and dynamic cultural scene. Rebuilt after extensive World War II bombing, Rotterdam boasts modern skyscrapers alongside historic landmarks like the stunning Erasmus Bridge. The city's commitment to cutting-edge design is evident in iconic structures such as the cube houses and the Markthal. Rotterdam's diverse population brings a wealth of international cuisines, trendy cafes, and bustling markets to its streets. The Museum Boijmans van Beuningen and Kunsthal showcase a diverse range of art. With its forward-thinking spirit and bustling energy, Rotterdam is a dynamic destination. 6. Maastricht, nestled in the southernmost part of the Netherlands, exudes charm with its cobbled streets, historic buildings, and lively squares. The city's rich history is evident in its Roman roots, medieval architecture, and remnants of ancient city walls. The iconic Vrijthof Square hosts vibrant festivals and concerts framed by the majestic St. Servatius Basilica and St. John's Church. Maastricht is renowned for its culinary scene, with cozy cafes, Michelin-starred restaurants, and lively markets offering local delights. The city's international flair is amplified by its proximity to Belgium and Germany, making it a cultural crossroads in Europe's heartland. 7. Leiden, a picturesque city in the Netherlands, is steeped in history, culture, and academia. Its charming canals, historic buildings, and tree-lined streets create a captivating ambiance. Home to one of the oldest universities in the country, Leiden University, the city has a vibrant student population that contributes to its lively atmosphere. The birthplace of renowned painter Rembrandt van Vermeer, Leiden boasts museums like the Leiden American Pilgrim Museum and the Museum de Lakenhal, showcasing its rich cultural heritage. Visitors can explore botanical gardens, windmills, and historic churches, immersing themselves in Leiden's enchanting blend of past and present. 8. Haarlem, a charming city in the Netherlands, enchants visitors with its historic architecture, cultural richness, and floral splendor. Known for its iconic tulip fields, Haarlem hosts the annual Bloemencorso Parade, showcasing vibrant flower displays. The city's well-preserved medieval buildings, including the imposing Grote Kerk and the picturesque Taylor's Hofje, offer glimpses into its rich past. Haarlem's thriving art scene is celebrated in museums like the Frans Hals Museum, dedicated to the Golden Age painter, and the modern art-focused De Hallen Haarlem. Quaint streets lined with boutique shops, cafes, and galleries add to the city's allure, making Haarlem a delightful destination to explore. 9. Nijmegen, one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, blends historical charm with a youthful vibe. Situated along the Wal River, it boasts a rich Roman heritage evident in archaeological sites like the Valkhof Park. The city's medieval architecture, including the striking St. Stephen's Church, adds to its allure. Nijmegen's bustling streets are lined with trendy cafes, boutique shops, and vibrant markets, catering to its diverse population. The annual International 4 Days Marches attracts thousands of participants and spectators, highlighting the city's lively spirit. With its scenic riverfront, cultural attractions, and welcoming atmosphere, Nijmegen offers a unique Dutch experience. 10. Den Bosch, officially known as 's-Hertogenbosch, is a picturesque city famous for its medieval architecture, cultural heritage, and culinary delights. The city's crown jewel is the majestic St. John's Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture. Den Bosch's historic center is a maze of charming streets dotted with quaint shops, cafes, and galleries. Visitors can explore the iconic Binnendize canal system winding beneath the city's surface. The Geronimus Bosch Art Center pays homage to the city's most famous son, the renowned painter Hieronymus Bosch. Den Bosch's warm hospitality and vibrant atmosphere make it a beloved destination for travelers and locals alike.